Hi friends, welcome to Candlesticks Decoded. As we have seen yesterday, Nifty is forming a lower high, lower low formation, and today in the market our expectation was that Nifty can give a bearish reversal signal from 23,200 level, and we were expecting a target of around 23,000. And today what happened in the market was, as expected, Nifty has given a bearish reversal signal exactly from the level where we have expected, and it had gave a fall of about 50-60 points, but it didn't reach the target, but it gave 50-60 points fall and then it bounced back again. Now, in my opinion, what I feel is we should not keep all our positions open until our expected target is reached. We shall even book part of our targets in somewhere around 50-60 points. Whatever the market gives, we shall book some of our profits over there also. So that if sometimes the market bounces back and hits our stop loss also, here we have given some 30 points around stop loss. So this 30 point stop loss will not be a great deal for us. So we shall book part of our profits in the middle also, so that this stop loss will not be a great deal for us. Okay friends, now let's see. Here if you see, market has given a reversal from 23 to 64 level. So let's see in the daily chart what is this point exactly is. If we see in the daily chart, this is exactly the point, that is the previous low formed in the daily chart. But today I haven't expected that this level would retest again, because when the day it was broken itself, the market has retested this level. So I haven't expected today this level to retest. And also today we have a inside candle formation here. And as we discussed yesterday, in the monthly chart, the overall trend of the market is still bearish, and we have seen that markets still have some room to move downside also. So our expectation is still bearish. So now let's see the important key levels for tomorrow's market. So what I'm expecting in the market is, if 23,265 is taken above, we shall have a target of up to 23,340. And if market breaks below this 23,135 level, we shall expect a target of around 23,050. Okay friends, let's see how market reacts in our levels tomorrow. Until then, have a safe and profitable trade. Thank you friends.